Want to learn how to change the language of your messenger app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So for this, open up the messenger app just like this. Make sure to get logged in. Now tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the right corner. Here, if you're going to scroll it up to the bottom, you will see no any language option. So you cannot change the language from the messenger app itself. That's why go to the settings of your phone, scroll down, and then tap on additional settings. Here you will find reason, and above that you'll find languages and input. Tap on language and input and then tap on languages. So you can change the language accordingly. Let me change it to one of the language here. I'm going to choose Italiano. You can choose accordingly, and then even you can choose the reason as well. So let me make it Italy again. Alright, so I have just changed both the reason and the language, and you can see that the language has been changed accordingly, and even on the messenger you will find that the language has been changed successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the language of your messenger app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.